There is a force that holds us all together, but I'm not talking about love. I'm talking about electrostatic force, where opposites attract. We're going to review just a couple of vocabulary terms before we talk about ions, which is our main focus of this little video. What is an element? Well, an element is a substance that cannot be divided up into smaller parts, very simply. And elements represent the different atoms that are the basic building blocks that combine to create all of the different substances in the universe. What is a molecule? Well, a molecule is an assembly of two or more atoms by chemical bonding. This is different from the ionic bonding and electrostatic force that brings atoms together to form ionic compounds. So what is an ion? An ion is an atom that has gained or lost an electron, and which therefore has a net positive or negative charge. Many atoms have electrons that long to have a complete outer shell. They want to feel like the fully satisfied noble gases. Some atoms are noble gas wannabes. Cations need to get rid of a few electrons to be like a smaller noble gas. Here you can see how close sodium is to being like neon. So if it can, sodium will give off an electron. If it does, it will have one more proton in the center than electrons in its shells and will then have a positive charge. Atoms like this one are called cations. Aw, so cute. Now anions are those atoms that need to gain electrons to feel like a noble gas. Here you can see that chlorine is close to argon. It needs to gain just one electron to have that outer shell filled. Once it gets that electron, it has one less positive proton in the center than negative electrons in its shells, so it has a net negative charge. So when you put sodium and chlorine together, they can get what they want from each other, and then come together because of that electrostatic force of opposites attracting. Cations are positive and anions are negative, and like magnets, opposites attract. So then, what is an ionic compound? An ionic compound is a combination of many of those positive and negatively charged ions. Those charges help them line up in an orderly lattice structure, which often forms a crystal. So some atoms have that you got what I need attitude, and that brings them together. Like love, electrostatic force is somewhat mysterious, but for certain, ions come together because opposites attract. Chemistry is cool.